Hey guys, as you know, I'm not in school today, so there will be no live Zoom lessons. However, I did want to take the opportunity to give you guys some directions. So obviously, we should know what to do. We are almost through the year, so we're going to go to enter here, bringing us to our current week's module. Just give it a moment. It's thinking. There we go. Okay, we are currently in quarter 4, week 6, and today is Friday, 4-30. So we are in Introduction to Mesoamerica. And a lot of you yesterday got to watch the enrichment video, and so many of you were really excited about the fact that they have such interesting religious practices, including sacrifice. So the first thing that I need you guys to do is to create one last folder. So what I need you to do is in your subfolder, or in your Unit 5 folder, okay, you're going to make a subfolder. You're going to go to Google Drive, open up your 2021 Social Studies folder, and then in the left corner, click the New button, then click Folder, and title your new folder Unit 5 Mesoamerica. So what is Mesoamerica, guys? Mesoamerica is the area, okay, in basically the middle between North America and South America. And we are going to be studying 3 different civilizations: the Mayans, the Incas, and then the Aztecs. Okay, and the reason why we do these after the Renaissance is because the fall of these civilizations happens either during the Renaissance or just after the Renaissance, as people from around the world are coming to explore. They're bringing them diseases, and that's what causes them to fall. Did they exist well before the Renaissance? Of course they did. But this is why this is our last unit, and it's because the fall of their civilization happens after the Renaissance and after the Age of Exploration. So for your directions today, you're going to open up the Geography and Early Questions note sheet by clicking what is highlighted in black. It's going to force you to make a copy, change the title to include your first and last name, and drop it in the newly created Mesoamerica folder. So I'm just going to open this up so that y'all can see it. Surprise, surprise! It looks exactly like the notes that we have taken for every other beginning of the school or beginning of the unit to introduce it. So I'm going to then open up the textbook by clicking what is highlighted here in red, and you're going to read pages 5 through 11 of the textbook. And as you read, follow the prompts on the note sheet and take notes as prompted. So here is our textbook. Just going to go to page 5. So this is the first page that we're going to be starting at. Remember that the red titles on the left match the red titles in the book, and the blue subtitles match either the maps, or the subtitles, which are also in blue, which I don't like these. Okay. Now the number of notes you take is denoted by how many bullet points. So if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bullet points, that's how many facts you should have for that section. And some of them have already given you what that bullet point will be, such as define Mesoamerica. Okay, and you'll just put that definition there. Okay. Now, the only thing that's different about this one is we are going to be doing the questions that go along with the section. So at the bottom of the note sheet are the questions. In the past, we have done these as 2 separate assignments. Today, we're doing it as 1. So once you finish the notes, come to the bottom, and you're going to answer the 6 questions. When you answer them, you need to put them in complete sentences. You will not get credit for this if they are not in complete sentences. And that is only for the question portion of this assignment. Your notes are bullet points, and they do not need to be in complete sentences. When you finish, you're going to turn the notes and questions into Canvas for a grade. Guys, it's a 50-point informal assignment. Really easy. All you have to do is read and then take down some notes and answer the questions. If you have specific questions about the material before I return, go ahead and just like jot them down somewhere, and we can go over all of that when I return on Monday. So work hard, be good, and have a great weekend. Bye, guys.